In first three projects, we discuss on descent press, UT crane structure, and tower crane structure. Now, in this particular video, we will discuss more on columns. What will happen if I am giving some frequency at the bottom? What will happen to this column, the entire structure? So we have done some analysis, FEA analysis. Right, 1,000 metric ton loaded structure simulated by giving earthquake frequency, and you see the column is getting deflected, right? Now, if I want to restrict the deflection of column, I want to redesign the column. Is it possible? How can I restrict the deflection of column? I don't want this much deflection also under a given frequency. Then how formulas will do it? There are predefined formulas to take care of all these problems. Okay, because see, FEA shows the result. Okay, it is there is excessive deflection and this kind of situation will happen. But how to solve it? I cannot say do jugglery with my CAD and increase the section without any support of calculation. I need to have some calculation support. Okay. So there is a theory, there are formulas which will control all this column deflection. Okay. Now the same situation can happen with a tower crane. This tower column, truss column, if it is unbalanced, see it is bending like this. Okay. So how to measure stress at the bending axis? This particular, say if I am cutting, this is a column and I want to measure a stress at this particular point. It is a MN section, right? It is a distance, this is a neutral axis, and I want to calculate at distance y. This is your real band column, right? So how to measure stresses at this particular point? So there are formulas in advanced books. The formulas are given at x distance or x height, how to measure the stresses in the column. There are formulas to measure stresses at the base. I want to design this particular base plate, number of bolts. So our training is complete, means we take problems also, that after design, okay, it is not that I have design and it is 100% perfect, but I am testing it. And in testing, if I'm finding fault, then how to correct it? If you cannot correct your design, right, then you have to concentrate more on formulas, because FEA will show you the problem. Okay, this is the problem area. Now you solve it. Now maximum engineers are doing some R&D, means R&D with CAD geometry and uploading the back on the FEA and doing that kind of stuff. But I say, no, there are predefined good formulas are there. You must know how to use that formulas in this kind of problems. Okay. So do contact us for career growth. If you want to earn more, if you want to make long-term career in design, then without formula, you cannot do it. Thank you very much.